Mae gan David allu cryf y maes dylunio a rhaglenni gwefannau. David combines skills in many computing disciplines and hence already has much industry interest for his talents.
I nominated David because he stood out from the rest of the students as being very eager to go on to do better things, and he was always keen to take on any challenges we threw to him.
I first got into it when I was about 14, I think, and I just made a website for myself to sell a few things. I think what I like about it the most is the problem-solving aspect of it.
He obviously had a lot of the skills already in place, so we could just build upon those skills, and obviously we needed to challenge him, and there were several things like the World Skills Competition that we could use to do that.
It's the biggest vocational skills competition in the world, and there was about 50 different countries competing in about 40 different skill sets.
And David did have the highest score of all the European competitors.
I was also the youngest team member for the UK, and there was 43 team members in total, and I was the only team member from Wales. I also had the highest scoring Medallion of Excellence out of the team.
He's good at the design aspect of it, which quite often programmers who do the coding side of it aren't always good at the design, but David's an all-rounder. His career prospects are absolutely phenomenal. He's getting offers from everywhere.
In 5 years' time, I would like to be running my own web design company, preferably. Potentially employing a few people, but I'd like to be working on not just small sites but large-scale applications for businesses, enterprises, things like that.